So this is very important. I have not recorded earlier, so I'm not just recording it. I just forgot it before. So I am a chartered accountant and pursuing actuarial science. I have a 6 years of experience as a credit manager. Now I realize that I don't want that profile. One second, I'm not able to read this. Okay, where was that question? This I have covered now. Chartered accountant and actuarial science. Okay, I have 6 years of experience as a credit manager. Now I realize that I don't want that profile anymore. I want industry change. Okay, Ruchika Garodia, right? Now problem what happens now after your 3 to 4 years or 5 or 6 years of experience now you try to change your profile now, then this will be a problem for you. You will have to suffer on a lot of aspects. Like Ruchika, you will have to suffer on your salary also. Then also you will be treated as a fresher whenever you're trying to switch. So if it is possible, try to be in this credit manager. Your name Ruchika Garodia, right? So let me check once. Ruchika Garodia. I hope you are connected. Actuarial science. So just a moment. So many messages are coming. So territory professional portfolio manager. If it is possible, try to be in credit manager only, because there is a lot of growth opportunity in credit manager also. I will suggest you that if you can be a credit manager in a ICICI Bank or a Kotak Mahindra Bank, so there you might get a good pay in packages also. Apart from credit manager, you can get into a credit risk profile. So credit risk profile is a better opportunity. It's similar to credit manager, so credit risk profile will be better. But exactly, if you want to get into now audit or taxation, it will be little difficult for you. You might have to suffer on your salary as well. So try to get into credit risk profile. Like even all the global banks normally hire credit managers from the banks. So you can also get into investment banking also if you want. So it's a good profile, credit manager to investment banking. It is possible. It has been seen. If you have worked that way, so you can get into credit risk or investment banker type of role. Okay. I have done MBA finance and have experience of 7 months in one of the top Indian banks. What finance role can I apply for? I have a MBA finance and experience of 7 months only in one of the Indian banks. Okay. What finance roles can I apply for? Could you be more specific? I'm not understanding this question. Like what finance role I can apply for? Okay. You are in ICICI Bank. Finance role, that same question. This is credit manager role job. So from credit manager you can get into credit risk profile. So you can get into credit risk profile even in investment banking also. In a back-end role you can get into, many people have got into from a bank manager role to investment bank, like JP Morgan. They hire a lot. So you can get into JP Morgan. Product control is there, product control, or a credit manager, credit risk profile in Credit Suisse. So a lot of global banks are there. If you search in Google like global investment banks, there are numerous banks that you can get into like this. So investment banks normally hire a lot of credit managers. So you can get into like this JP Morgan. You just rename them, and then you can search in Google also. Also, I will tell you how to search for jobs now. So there is an easy way to search in LinkedIn, which you can see out here. If you write out here like credit manager, credit risk jobs, if you write like this, credit risk jobs. So like this, if you write, for example, so you will get a lot of jobs. Now credit risk I written jobs. Now once you write job, you will know how many jobs are done. Now you can apply from here. Now the best way is you can apply through LinkedIn also, or you can see like this is a job that is applicable. You read the job description. If it is matching with your profile, then you ask somebody in that company to refer you, and they will refer you very easily. You just have to make in a Word file. In a Word file, you make one. I'm applying for this job. Then they will refer you very easily, because they will also get in something in return. So they will refer you to, rather than applying through the career portal. It is better that if you apply directly through a referral position, so that will be easier for you. Okay, how much does LinkedIn and Udemy courses add value to the profile? I don't know about Udemy courses, but the most important, LinkedIn will definitely add a lot of value to your profile, because every recruiter, every employer, everybody is in LinkedIn. So from LinkedIn, you can get it like this. You can know where it is actually job opportunity. Also by companies, also you can, this is the way to search jobs. Like this, you can do by employee also. Suppose I want to get into Big Four, okay? I want to get into Big Four statutory audit, okay? Okay, how to find people for referral? So this is the way, Big Four audit, okay? Now, first you can find the jobs also. Now you can write the experience level also out here. So internship, entry level, this. So entry level, show results like this. So it is so easily you can get into people. Now, this is the way you can get it, and 51 to this apply there. And also about the companies. One second. No? So like this, you can do by people also. You can search by people. People, JP Morgan. Suppose you have to get into JP Morgan, people. So by people also you can get into. Suppose you want to get into JP Morgan. JP Morgan. Post. So here also you can get the job details if they have any. So how to find jobs? It will be written out here: jobs, post, jobs, people. This way you can find jobs. See, this is the job opportunities there. There is a tool. I have done this, and I started my career from NBFC in credit department. I have a total experience in auto loan risk. Is there any scope for me as a credit manager? Yeah, you have started from career from NBFC in a credit department. Okay, from NBFC you can easily get into the commercial banks. You will be easily be getting into credit, no problem. ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, everywhere there is opportunity. Only the thing is that you can find in LinkedIn also. You can find in this also, this one, and one more site in Naukri.com also, and one more site is there which is very good. iimjobs, like I hope this is the site. You can log in this also. Here also you get a lot of jobs. You can log in this iimjobs. So this is also you can note. I will write this iimjobs. This can also help to get into Naukri.com, LinkedIn. So here you can get all sorts of jobs. The most important thing, don't apply to the career portal. Try to get referral as much as possible. Suppose you get a job in a Kotak Mahindra Bank. So try to get referral directly from the employee. If you are able to get it, then the more chances that you might get shortlisted. Okay, that is the thing is there. Am I missing any question? Or I have for the next 5 to 8 years, there will be number of openings for credit risks, provided you have the programming knowledge added to it. If I'm upselling in myself, don't know where I'm going end, but let's see. Okay, I don't know. That is a question. Yeah.
Question. Sorry, I'm interrupting. There is an important question of Atul. He's writing that, hello sir, this is Atul. I have done PGDM from finance and marketing. Started my career from NBFC in credit department. I have experience in auto loan business processing. Is there any scope
I have answered this question. I have answered this question. He is working in NBFC. Okay. He is working in NBFC now. From NBFC, he can get into commercial bank. Now he is working in an NBFC. So normally NBFC pay little less. Okay, so you can get into commercial banks like Kotak Bank, ICICI Bank, and HDFC Bank. 3 banks are the topmost banks in India. I'm writing it down: HDFC, Kotak, and ICICI Bank. And if one more, IDFC First Bank. So these banks normally pay also very good, and the career is also very good. The only thing is that now when you are getting into credit manager job, the job role is little monotonous. So if you are very good, if you are good with your rapport with the organizations, like my friends also work there, if you stay long in these firms like credit manager role, you have a great growth, because you see India will grow, GDP will grow. So credit risk is credit manager or credit risk is a tremendous profile. So this is something, here cannot be any recession, nothing can happen out here. So it is a very very good profile. And from credit manager you can get into credit risk also, like credit risk profile also easily you can get into this. There is a high chance that you might get from credit manager to credit risk if you do CFA. If you do CFA, if you are doing CFA, financial modeling and valuation, if you have these 3 skills, 1 degree and these skills, and Excel, so you will have to know only, and PPT, advanced level PPT. If you have these 3-4 skills, you can get into the credit risk, equity research, investment banking. Easily you can get into any of the profiles. But you need to have this financial modeling, valuation, Excel, PPT, advanced. Any question
So
that I'm
actually,
missing? Yeah.
The thing is that we are having only 40 minutes allowance from Zoom to conduct a meeting, and perhaps we have got the reminder.
That is upgraded, not a problem. I have upgraded it, so I don't think that will be a problem.
Okay.
Any question that I'm missing? Yeah.
I'm asking a question on behalf of the candidates. Whereas people feel that whenever they are going for HR or technical round, initially they are judged by their communication skill. People जो HR लोग होते हैं वो ये कहते हैं कि your communication skill is not that much good, so you are rejected. Starting first phase वो reject हो जाते हैं, ताकि वो second या जो उनका third phase होता है interview का, technical round होता है या other round होता है negotiation वाला, वहां तक वो पहुंच नहीं पाते हैं. तो आपका इस बारे में क्या है कि कम्युनिकेशन को बहुत ज्यादा ही एक वाइटल रोल प्ले करता है इंटरव्यू के टाइम पे या नहीं?
Normally communication, what level of communication is very much required is, if I'm telling you 10 things, okay, if you're able to understand my language na, that is more than enough. You need effective communication skill. Effective communication means like, are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? If you're understanding what I'm trying to say, that much is, if you have, you will be able to do well in interviews everywhere. So whatever I'm trying to say in the simplest form, if you are able to understand that, I am telling you 10 things and you understand those 10 things. If you understand 8 things also out of 10, then you have a good communication skill. But if I am telling flowery language and if you're not understanding anything, then there is a problem. So you need basically effective communication skill. If you have effective communication skill, then you will be able to do well. Yeah, little bit practice is required. Somebody is not good in English, so he should be practicing more. Like he can practice in a mirror. In a mirror, he can practice. He can read books. So those things he can do. He can read books. He can listen to podcast, English podcast. Those things he can do. But normally, if you are reasonably, you are able to make other people understand what you are trying to say. That is more than enough in the simple language.
But yeah, sir, you are right. But sometimes ना ये isn't it, हम लोगों ने देखा नहीं है क्या कि HR जो होते हैं वो इंसल्ट करते हैं कि योर कम्युनिकेशन इज नॉट गुड. तो इसका रीजन ये है कि वो लोग इंसल्ट करना चाहते हैं या फिर ये रियलाइज करवाना चाहते हैं कि नहीं, you'll have to improve, you'll have to work on yourself. तो रीजन क्या रहता है, बैकएंड क्या काम करता है, क्या साइकोलॉजी वर्क करती है इसके पीछे?
Normally when they will take your round of interview, so if you are able to, suppose you are not able to practice well, so you are not able to say those answers, so you will what do? आप भूल जाओगे तो आप उस टाइम याद नहीं आएगा आपको आंसर, राइट? यू विल नॉट रिमेंबर दैट टाइम आंसर. So that time when you are not remembering answer, so the other people will think that you don't know communication, right? अगर आपको कुछ चीज पूछता है और आपको नहीं पता, नॉर्मली कम्युनिकेशन इज ऑल अबाउट कॉन्फिडेंस. अगर आप में कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करना बहुत जरूरी है, आप कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करो ना. एक्चुअली कम्युनिकेशन स्किल नहीं है, सबको आता है कम्युनिकेशन. हु डज नॉट नो इंग्लिश? सब इंग्लिश स्कूल से पढ़े हैं. हाँ, कोई का थोड़ा ज्यादा दिक्कत हो सकता है, पर कम्युनिकेशन ऐसा है नहीं कि किसी को नहीं आता है. द प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है ना, कॉन्फिडेंस का प्रॉब्लम है. तो कॉन्फिडेंस इज एक्चुअली द की टू सक्सेस. अगर आप में कॉन्फिडेंस, मैंने अच्छा आदमियों को देखा है जिसको इतना अच्छा इंग्लिश सब कुछ आता है पर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है. द कॉन्फिडेंस इज द बिग प्रॉब्लम. तो कॉन्फिडेंस होगा तो कोई दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है. कॉन्फिडेंस मेन प्रॉब्लम होता है, उसको नाम कम्युनिकेशन का दे देता है, समझिए. तो वो प्रॉब्लम है. कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्ड करिए तो कोई दिक्कत नहीं है कोई भी चीज को लेके. और simplification, that is also very important.
कुछ और
कोई
question?
simple तरीके से समझा सके. I have a 6 years experience in finance in PSU with CA and CMA degree. Since it's a transferable job, I want to switch. Can you suggest which private companies hire CA from PSU? Now, normally, if you are from PSU background, so normally private companies will not be that much willing you to take you, right? The question they will ask you why you want to join a private company. So you have to do a little bit of upskilling. Like companies, it will depend on what sort of profile that you have worked from. If you have worked in an accounting profile, so the companies like Tata Steel or any companies might take you. Suppose if you have worked in IOCL, for example, it will be better you can mention which company you have worked for. So it will be little easier. But like suppose you are working in an IOCL or something and you've worked in an accounting profile, so maybe you can get a job in the similar profile if there is a demand in an industry. Normally accounts profile, there is demand, account and finance, so you can get. But yeah, you have to do little bit of upskilling like Excel, PowerPoint presentation, and then accounting also, Ind AS. So you should be having a good knowledge, financial reporting. So if you can improve on those things, then you can get it into any private company. Private company you can get if you're, it depends on the role which you're applying. So it totally depends on what role you're applying. What role you have played in the finance. You have done finance, right? So finance, if you have done, so you might get into accounts and finance in the Tata Steel or Vedanta or